Okay, my people, this is your regular Pidgin News Network. My people, this lockdown, corona, everything stay at home matter. The matter don't they get as they go. They say he go to where they carry go market to get beer. The owner way can go get beer. Now when market shell, we go know who carry who come. As federal government tell us 2 months ago, say they don't pay NEPA bill for the whole Nigeria. Say make everybody enjoy the light they go. Make them not worry to pay NEPA bill. NEPA people don't come out to say na lie yo. Make everybody come out, come pay their NEPA bill. Say the light whether they give us, even themselves now buy they buy them, they distribute it for us. So because of this, make everybody come their office, come pay their NEPA bill. If not, they go come out, come cut them. As some people pro, they look what they happen. They talk and say, "Pikin we no know mama boyfriend," and they call her uncle. Then they carry their ladder, come they cut light. As they climb up to cut the light with their ladder, one day up down they give instruction. Now so people for area provoke, follow the power. The beating why I see he passed the one where Muhammad Ali beat Mike Tyson that year.
Vamos avançar.
He not finish for there. The one way there for up, they look say how they take on down. Now they remove ladder. But as a NEPA quarantine official statement, the man takes Spider-Man come down. He can't be like saying that the man I add that thing where they call Spider-Man film. My people, this now Pidgin News Network. The man on the street be this.